We saw all the electromagnetic radiations, correct? The electromagnetic spectrum. Now, we have a lot of applications and properties and uses of these electromagnetic waves. Like, if I keep listing out, then the list is endless. So what we are doing is we'll just pick one or two and then we'll see. Okay. Now, see, for example, the easiest one is radio waves. Without radio waves, there is no internet, there is no phone, there is no communication. So radio waves are used in long distance communication, like hundreds of kilometers, right? And then microwaves. See, every home has microwave ovens now. So microwaves are used to cook food, basically heating effect. Okay, and then infrared rays. Our remote controls basically works on the principle of infrared. They shoot infrared beams. Okay, that's how these. So infrared electromagnetic radiation is used for communication and also for heating purpose. All right. Then we have visible light, right? I don't have to tell use of visible light. Visible light, without that there is no vision, or we can't see anything technically speaking, right? But we have lots of uses of light also. Apart from seeing, we have the heating effect of light. Okay, lots of applications are there of light. And then we have ultraviolet rays. UV rays are used to kill germs and bacteria, especially that sterilization what they do in medicine field, they use UV rays. X-rays, first thing comes to our mind is the X-ray photograph what we have for bones and all these things, right? So for fractures we use that, for ligament injury we use X-rays to figure out where the injury has happened, right? Then we have gamma rays. See, gamma rays, even though they're very dangerous, we use gamma rays to kill certain cancer cells. Okay, so they'll mark that this is the point where the cancer cells are there, it's developing, and then they shoot gamma rays onto that particular point. So we use gamma rays in medicine industry and lots of other fields also. Okay, so each and every electromagnetic wave or radiation has a use of its own, and we have lots of properties also. Okay, now after this, so you will see different properties and applications of each electromagnetic wave. Make sure you remember the points so that whenever you need to recall these things, just map on to this particular radiation has this use. Okay, so you will see the set of properties and uses of electromagnetic radiations. So you guys saw different properties and applications of EM waves, correct? So whatever you have seen till now, starting from displacement current, then we saw Ampere's Maxwell equation, correct? And then see, we have one more thing. Look at this tab. See, we have in this table, they have given you all the equations, correct? This is again very important. Okay, then we saw properties of electromagnetic radiation, and then electromagnetic spectrum, different frequencies, different radiations, different wavelengths, right? But one thing is constant, that's the speed, right? And then we saw plenty of applications and properties of electromagnetic waves. So this concludes the electromagnetic waves chapter.